In this video, I'll show you how to add soundboard sounds to your Discord server. Start by selecting your server name, then open Server Settings. From the left side menu, click Soundboard, then select Upload Sound. Click Browse, and a File Explorer window will open. Find and select the sound file you want to add to your Discord soundboard. Click Open. Click, hold, and drag the side markers to choose where the sound starts and ends. You can click the play button to listen to a preview of your sound. Give your sound a name. If you want, click the related emoji option and add an emoji. You can also use your server emojis. Adjust the sound volume if needed, then click Upload. If you want to make changes later, hover over the sound and click the pencil icon to edit it. You can also remove the sound by clicking the cross icon. To use the sound, join a voice channel, then click the Open Soundboard button and choose the sound you want to play. Your Discord soundboard is now set up and ready to use. Leave a like if you found this video helpful, and check out another Discord video here.